How to transfer money using HDFC NetBanking. First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC website at hdfcbank.com. Hover over the login button, then select NetBanking from the drop-down. Log in using your customer ID and password. Once you are logged in, go to the top menu and click on Funds Transfer. You will see multiple options including Transfer within the bank, IMPS P2A Instant Transfer, Transfer to other bank, and more. Choose the option that suits your needs. After selecting the option, click on the Go button. Now, a form will appear where you will need to fill in details like the source account, beneficiary name, IFSC code, account type, amount, and remarks. If you are transferring to someone you have already added as a beneficiary, simply select your name from the list. If not, make sure the beneficiary is added and activated before proceeding with the transfer. Enter the transfer details such as the amount, any remarks, and select the purpose of the transfer from the available options. Carefully review all the information. If everything looks correct, tick the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Then, click on Continue and confirm the transaction using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email ID. Once the OTP is entered and verified, the money will be transferred instantly or according to the selected transfer mode. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer money using HDFC NetBanking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.